when I open this valve, it means I'm going to spray to steam. And this coffee will roll down and come over. We roll that screen up to what we call a gravity table. So when we subject this coffee to this machine, it begins to check out the weight by density. And all the heavy beans will float upwards, and the lighter ones will float downwards. Then we determine which quality of coffee do we want as instructed by our client. And at this level, we shall extract the kind of coffee that we see as best of all. Then we shall send this coffee up into that storage again. Then inside that storage, we have put coffee that weigh the same and look the same. But inside there, the coffee that weigh the same and look the same have again in them what we call discolors. So inside the box, we have what we call the color sorter.